highest precision and surface quality, we understand the hydraulic language. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at Urma, and we understand very, very well the challenges in the hydraulic industry. We know that productivity and precision is key in the hydraulic industry. This is why we offer special tools, for example, with guide pads to machine the spool bore in this example, or high volume parts like this axial piston pump with standard tooling as well. Also, for bigger bores, we have excellent solutions, like you can see in this example over here with the RX Large and a pump housing. We can offer different edge preps and geometries which suit the challenges of your application perfectly. If you're facing an impossible challenge in this sector or also others, just give us a call and we will take care of it.